worry, not a worry. All right, once you get that arm in there, just kind of weasel it a couple times, it snaps right in, it falls right in, and then all you got to do is put the clip on. All right, so, putting the clip on, what do I do with it? I'm gonna put it back in the bag.
Nope, it's right here.
Right here, here's the clip.
Yeah.
Little clip, little clip. Little clip. All right. Yeah. We'll set that bad boy right on there like that. Same tool you used to pull. You can just push that clip right down in there. All right. Grab the little one, stick it to the backside. There's a hole. Anytime there's a hole in the backside, you want to stick something in it. Anytime there's a hole in the backside, you want to stick something in it. All right. Get that, cameraman? All right. Well, make sure that little clip stays right on there.
What about your thing?
Hang on. Oh, yep. We want to put the thing on. Don't forget your thing. You gotta remember your thing.
It fell out.
Boy, you can't forget your thing when you're trying to stick something in the backside of a hole. All right. There's that. All right, stick that back in place. You can straighten that out. You can put that straight up and down if you want. Okay, then you look at your little thing coming through the backside. Remember, we stuck the thing in the backside of the hole. All right. Then, I just kind of want to look at it. Now, I don't recommend this to everybody. All right, but you can put this little black thing in your mouth, like that. Uh-oh. All right, and you just try to push that on and twist it. All right. Then you can go over to the other side, put this one on.
Oh, yeah.
Get that hole lined up in this hole so you can see the hole. Okay? Because one thing you don't want to do is not be able to see your hole. Don't want to be able to see your hole. Yep. See there? Screwed that right on up now, didn't I? Alright. Now here, I'm just gonna come over here like this, like I usually do. And just drop shit all over the place. Okay. So y'all flooded now. This cameraman here in my face, looking at me and all. Alright. So now you got two hold downs down, you got your adjuster in place. All right, you want to get that little spring. Remember that little spring? We talked about that little spring. That little spring goes right there. You want to make sure that bad way is right there in place. See? Real nice. Adjuster. Take your adjuster. Stick that in there. Okay. Right there. Now you see. That don't fit. No, don't fit, does it? Take this little handy little tool. See that nice little tool? And it snaps right up here in place. Bam. Huh? Keep that in place. Now, what's the other one? There's a long one and a short one. The short one goes to the adjuster rod. The long one goes to the chute. But before we do that, we want to put parking brake bar. Parking brake bar. Parking brake bar. We'll put that in place. Push that back a little bit. Put that little piece behind it. Always works best when it's behind. Come on, come on. All right. Push it together. Put the spring on. Spring goes down here. All the way down there by that adjuster bar. All right, there's that one. And this one only goes there. Get it all centered up. Make sure it's sitting in there properly.
And there's your dinner.
There's your dinner. Yeah? All right, we'll go through, we'll adjust this here up a little later. Get that drum on. I want to scuff that drum up, get that nice and good so it's got something new to bite against these new shoes. All right. Thank you very much.